Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Spell Engine. Today we're working on a Coleman BT200X mini dirt bike. These are great little beginner bikes for kids. The reason they brought it in is the chain keeps on falling off. And a kind of a common problem on these, the rivets on the headlight popped off, so we're just gonna put regular bolts in that, but we're gonna be more worried about the chain right now, so hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we'll take this cover off here. And I see the chain is way too loose, and the sprocket is loose. The clutch bearing ain't too bad, but that sprocket's definitely loose. Then this back chain is solid rust. That's one thing bad about these things sitting outside and you're not properly using like chain lube on the chains. They just get rusty and it looks like they're kind of stuck. So we're probably going to replace both chains and take this cotter key out, because you can see that nut is just loose, but it's almost like they put the wrong size chain on there. It wouldn't stretch out that much, I wouldn't think. All right, I'll get some tools and we'll get to work on this. Okay, let's pop this chain guard off. That's a 8mm. And you can see how rusted it is, and that's a little bit on the tight side. Well, find the connecting length on that, and we'll take it off and replace that chain too. But let's take this cotter key out here. You can see that nut is real loose. There we go. It looks like a 7/8. Well, there's slots in the bolt. You gotta line them up to the hole in that shaft for the new cotter key. When I put a new cotter key in there. Much better now. Go grab some chain that size. Try it with the one link out of there. Okay, I got some new chain here. Looks like we'll take this one here out and put a link in there. Okay, got the chain cut. Put our link in there. And I'm sure everybody knows this, but when you put these on, you put this end, the rotation of the chain. Because if you have it this way, if something hits it, they can hit it and knock it off. But I'm sure everybody knows that. And just pop into place. Okay, here's the connecting link right here. That is welding their way too tight. Yeah, I could soak this. Could soak it in oil. It's been run dry for so long, it's getting wore out. Now I don't want it breaking down again on the kid that owns this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen up them two nuts right here and loosen these up a little bit, so when I put the new chain on, we can adjust it just a little bit looser. It's way too tight. And we'll go ahead and loosen them 10mm nuts up a little bit. So I'm gonna go find, this is a little bit smaller than the 40, but on this here, you just lay it out straight and just count the links, and that's how we'll make our new one. But I'll go find the chain and be right back. Okay, this chain here is a 420 or a 41. Yeah, put our Then we'll run the round side towards the front and clip on the back. There we go. Now we'll adjust these a little bit. The one is as tight as the old one. And you want to do it equally so the tire's running straight. I say about right there. And after you drive it for a while, probably readjust it. And I know it's hard to do because a lot of times these things sit outside in the rain and the snow, but every now and then spray some chain lube on it to keep oil in it so it don't rust. That'd be a good helpful hint on it too. Well, that's all we have to do to that. Now all we gotta do is remount that headlight and this thing should be done. Okay, I got some zip ties holding the wire on here. Cut them off. And we're going to put 1/4-inch bolts in here with lock nuts. We ain't gonna worry about rivets. These things vibrate a little bit. I'm going to mark this so I know which side's the top. I don't think it matters, but just in case it don't interchange, black mark, that'll just be our top. Don't want to lose these rubber washers. That's for the anti-vibration. So we'll take this Phillips screw out here, get a flat screwdriver and try prying that apart. There we go. I'm going to just double check these 4 holes here, make sure they're a 1/4 inch. Probably should probably should have used metric bolts, but I don't have no metric lock nuts. And the stores are already closed for the days. Okay, I'll go grab some bolts and nuts. Now I'm wondering if this will even work because it's going to be a tight fit in here. Okay, that mark is on top. So it'll go like that. At least it won't vibrate loose. Anyway. There we go. Now I have to keep the wrench on them. Didn't want to do that, did we? There we go. There, and I put them rubber boots back on and we can mount it back up there. I'm missing one. Probably have to spread that apart just a little bit. And it'll come back together when we tighten it up. Got the 2 on that side. Alright, that's much better. Okay, all I gotta do now is get it off the table and make sure it works. Well, this thing works awesome, so that kid's gonna have fun again. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, well, it's later than evening, so have a good night. Bye.